Salut pour tous et soyez les bienvenus dans le programme Planète Équitable avec Adesanete. We just arrived in Bogota, Colombia for the first outdoors meeting of the IPBS group on business and biodiversity, the Bioeconomy group from the IPBS. We gathered 150 scientists from all over the world, which will be dedicated over the next 3 years on studying, assessing, compiling, and publicizing work that will cover everything that we have on biodiversity and business globally. The main goal here, is, I've been talking all over the week, is to define path for our human and economic development, which won't harm biodiversity. So we will be looking into balances, which means the positive and negative impacts that business have on biodiversity, and also on synergies. What are the dependencies? What are the advantages that we get from business getting involved with the biodiversity? What are the positive trade-offs we have from business with biodiversity? What are the negative trade-offs we have? For example, if we have the human population raising wild animals or wildlife, we see that it thrives. On the other hand, when we see major infrastructure projects going into a region, we can see the depletion of the biodiversity. In order to avoid that, we have to measure adequately what are the impacts and what are the results from each social development project on biodiversity. And this is what our colleagues will be working on over the next 3 years, with the aim of producing material instrumentalizing decision makers on the public and private sector in order to organize their political framework in a way it will sustain, it will support all the species and individuals from different species in our planet. So this will be the work over the next 3 years. It is just starting. Follow us during the week. I will tell you how it goes from now on. Let God's peace and the love that builds be our weapons on our daily struggle for justice. Adesanete for tous les amis africains.